Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for tuning back in. I'm Nick, also known as Oh So Sick, and if you're already subscribed to this channel, thank you very much. If you're not, just hit the subscribe button. It doesn't take that long, and hit the little notification because I have plenty of videos coming out. And for today's unboxing video, I'm actually going to be unboxing a Sparco steering wheel. I'm not going to tell you which one it is yet, but I will tell you the part number. So if you like this steering wheel and you actually want one for yourself, the part number is 015R353PSN. So as you can see, this is the entire box that it comes in. That's it. It's just really straightforward. This video is not going to be too long. It has the iconic Sparco S logo on the front. Sparco branded right there. Talon designs, they've been around since 1977. So if they know one thing, they know safety and great quality products. So to open this box up, a little tab right here goes up. Then you can lift it up like that. There you go. Be sure to open it right because you don't want to drop your brand new steering wheel. And depending on how picky you are, if you don't want to dirty your new steering wheel, be sure to clean your hands, wash your hands free of any grease. So then comes in a nice little wrapping right there. So this is it. Here's the steering wheel. As you can see, it's wrapped in suede. Very, very good quality. It's lightweight, and it's actually smaller than what I'm going to actually be putting it in, which is the Honda Talon. So it is a smaller steering wheel. Little flat bottom right here, so it's pretty sick. The reason why I like this is because with the bucket seats, and if you have a roll cage, it's kind of a little easier to get in, unless you had a quick release. That's probably the best option, but don't think I'm gonna have a quick release. So on the back, it has a number, made in Italy, and then it says 0719, so that's the year that it was made. Man, this thing is nice. So be sure to subscribe because there's gonna be plenty more videos of unboxing different products that I get for not only the Talon project, but any other projects, and also the how-tos. I'm gonna be installing this on the Honda Talon, so I'll show you how I install it and also my actual review behind the product. So once again, guys, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe and comment any questions you guys have. And remember, life's so sick. Live it.